Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 2 box Prizm Hobby Bake. It's 9:09, 4 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And the teams are going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pardon me. It's random. The random is complete. Teams are Ben Francis Spurs, Mr. Holland Suns, Lindsay Williams Raptors, Timothy Sixers and Clippers, Johnny Deegan Celtics, Corey Wizards, Grant Rockets, Danny Nuggets, Tim Cavs, Tenkati Mavericks, Grant Hornets, Vincent Pistons, Aaron Price Knicks, Leah Todd Kings, Johnny Deacon Bucks, Zach Pacers, Danny Pelicans, Grant McDonald Blazers, Alida Danny got Pelicans, Zach Magic, Marcus Warriors, Glenn McCubbin Nets, Timothy Wolves, Matus Lakers, Mason Dolan Bulls, Heat Grant McDonald, Villy with Thunder, Dobell Hawks, Grizz with Leroy, and Sean Thong with the Jazz. And that's the teams.